Boy, we went on the top of the world. Yeah, that sure was fun. Yeah, it's a good thing that Kaboody and Wingo didn't just randomly, magically show up, because I like having a play date with you. I'm glad they didn't show up. What? Wingo? And now Kaboody? This is weird. Hey, how were you guys able to show up? You called us, so we come. What? Well, you're just gonna have to deal with it. Okay. Well, come down with me. Well, I suppose. Well, good luck. Boy. Wait, no, don't. Too late. He's already gone. Well, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Well, get ready to have some fun. Yup. Well, I suppose. Come on, we're gonna do a very fun thing. So what is the fun thing? Don't tell me you're gonna do something bad. We will attack you. No, don't. Ha ha ha. Hooray, Kaboody. Raval is defeated. Yeah, hooray. Now, who's gonna be the greatest race car ever? We're gonna have to get revenge on Lightning McQueen, though. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-doo. Hey, Lightning McQueen! Oh, yeah! Hi! What are you doing, here? I thought you were with Raval. Raval is dead. What? And now, we're going to do the same thing. Attack! No, please don't. Hey, Kaboody, how come Lightning isn't dead? Well, I'm gonna get Raval back alive. Raval, wake up. Wake up. Oh, boy, where am I? Those two over there just attacked you and made you die. Yeah, I know. Let's go get revenge. I'm gonna throw you. You better not. Well, we got that sorted. Let's go somewhere where there aren't any bullies. Yeah, good idea.